In this video we are going to test inflating capabilities of these two electric air pumps. For this we are going to use two bike tubes, and let's get started. So first let's connect bike tubes to electric air pumps. Let's unscrew the valves of bike tubes. Now we connect air hose of electric air pumps to bike tubes here and here. Okay, now let's turn on electric air pumps. Okay, this one. Okay, so this one already set for 40 psi level. Now let's set this one for 40 psi as well. Okay, 39. We have one that is 39.5. We move it to 40. Okay, so now both of them are set to 40. Now we should turn them on simultaneously, and once both of those will reach to 40 psi, they will stop. Okay, so let's try. So both of them work. This one seems to be working a little bit faster. You see this is 9.5, but this is 8. So it seems that this one is a bit faster than that one. I stopped both of them because probably without bike tires then they're not going to perform as good, but it might be dangerous for them to reach that 40 psi level without bike tire. That's what I think. But definitely what you have seen, this one is performing better than this one. Actually, what we can do is we can test the pressure level with one of those devices. So let's remove this one. Let's put this one aside, and let's test the pressure level of these two tubes with this electric air pump. It's a little bit loose here, so let's screw it. Okay, let's first test the pressure of this one. Well, it shows a pressure of 8 psi. Now let's test the pressure of this one. Well, this one shows 7.9 psi. So 7.9, right? 7.9. So yeah, this one was better, has higher pressure than this one. So this device has stronger motor and could inflate faster. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next videos.